In front of me is HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off simple mode. All you need to do is go into settings and scroll all the way down to hit system and updates available at the bottom. Then tap on simple mode between reset and developer options and hit enable at the bottom. As you can see, after a few seconds, simple mode was successfully enabled. If you wanna disable it, go into settings again and tap on exit simple mode available here. Then wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!